Below you're looking at a Ransohoff wash system brought to you by Lanco. This is a ultrasonic wash system. It is a 4-stage system. This is built by Ransohoff Blackstone. See here, this does have a conveyor, dual robotic hoist. This has a 1st stage ultrasonic wash, 2nd stage ultrasonic wash, 3rd stage rinse, and a 4th stage blow-off dryer. It does have an excellent conveyor going to a clean room. We'll also provide you with internal dimensions for the tanks in the description. Unit's in excellent condition. The 480 volt 3-phase system. All stainless steel construction. See the in feed here. D-mag does not come with this unit. See the controller, Allen Bradley PanelView Plus 600. Unit's in very nice condition. Here's the back side. Does have multiple filtration bag units, total of 5 with pumps. Once again, all 480 3-phase. Fully enclosed with exhaust. Overall dimensions, 22 feet long, 10 feet wide, 9 feet 4 inches high. Once again, Ransohoff Blackstone ultrasonic washer. See in the clean room here, here's the exit conveyor. If you're interested in this Ransohoff washer, please contact Lanco 616-887-8300. Online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.